Exercise 5.3. The third problem should be solved by the students by applying either quadratic formula or the method of completing squares. So the third bit should be solved by the students. You can apply the quadratic formula for solving this problem. It's very easy. Now fourth one. Problem number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. The question, refer to the textbook for the question. Refer textbook for the question. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Let present age of Rahman, let the present age of Rahman be x. What is given? There is 3 years ago. 3 years ago, Rahman's age was x minus 3 years. 5 years from now, according to the question, 5 years from now, from the present age, 5 years from now, what is Rahman's age? Rahman's age is x plus 5 years. Now according to the problem, the reciprocal of their ages we need to calculate. Reciprocal of the age 3 years ago is 1 by x minus 3. Reciprocal of the age five years from now is 1 by x plus y. So next, what is given? Sum of the reciprocals of their ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So the sum of the reciprocals of their ages, now the sum of the reciprocal, we'll take out the sum of the reciprocal of the age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Is 1 by 3. So here we will take the LCM or do the cross multiplication. X plus 5 plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 times x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So we will get x plus 5 plus x minus 3 divided by x into x, x square, plus x into 5, 5x, minus 3 into x, 3x, minus into plus, minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So we will get 2x plus 2 divided by x square, 5x minus 3x is plus 2x, minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So we will get So we will get 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So go for cross multiplication. 3 times 2x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. So we will get 3 times 2 is 6x plus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Shifting all the LHS terms to the right side. So we will get x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we will get x square 2x minus 6x is minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 is equal to 0. Now here we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Now here we got a quadratic equation, so we will get the roots of 21 as 7 and 3. So x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So I'll take x common. So x into x minus 7. If I take 4 common from here, I'll get x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x plus 4 times x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here the value of x plus 4 can be 0 and x minus 7 is 0. X is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to 7. Minus 7, when it goes there, it becomes plus 7. So Rahman's present age cannot be negative. So Rahman's present age. Therefore, Rahman's present age is 7 years. Moving to the next problem. Fifth question from exercise 5.3. Fifth one. In a class test, the sum of Molika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. I repeat the question. In a class test, the sum of Molika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Let Molika's marks in maths be x. So let Molika's marks, refer to the textbook for the question. Let Molika's marks in maths be x. Molika's marks in English by. Now read the question. What is given in the question? Together, the sum of Molika's marks in maths and English together. So the sum of the maths marks is x and English marks is y. So if you add both the marks, the total sum is coming to be 30. The total sum is 30. Now, if she got 2 marks more in maths, so we will add 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English. The product of her marks would have been 210. So for this, what we will do is, we will add 2 marks. So 2 marks more in mathematics. So what is the given mathematics? 2 marks more in mathematics. That is, to the original marks in mathematics, we will add plus 2 and 3 marks less in English. So here the y, English is the y marks, 3 marks less in English. So here the product is coming to be 212. So from this, from this I can get the value of y as 30 minus x. So in place of y, in place of y I'll substitute 30 minus x. So this is according to the problem. According to the problem, if you increase the marks by 2 in mathematics and decrease the marks by 3 in English and find their product, the total product you are getting as 210. So x plus y, in place of y I will write 30 minus x. In place of y I'll write 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210. So we will get x plus 2 into 30 minus 3 is 27 minus x is equal to 210. So we will solve this now. So x into 2x 27, 27x minus x square plus 2 times 27 is 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. So I'll get all the terms shifted to the right side. So x square plus 2x minus 27x minus 54 plus 210 is equal to 0. So we will get x square minus 25x 210 minus 24, 210 minus 54 will give you this is 10 minus 4, 620 minus 156. So I'll get, if I solve this, I'll get 156 plus 156 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation, and if you solve this quadratic equation we will get the values of x. So we will take out the factors of 156. So 2, 7, 8, 2, 3, 9, 3, 1, 13, 13, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and this is 13. 12 plus 13 will give us 25. So x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. So here I'll take x common, x minus 13. Here if I take minus 12 common, I'll get x minus 13. So x minus 12 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. So the values of x are x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 13. So the values can be, so if x is equal to 13, if x is 13, if x is 12, then y value will be equal to 30 minus x. So y value is 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is, y value is 18. If x is 13, y is equal to 30 minus 13. So y value is equal to 17. So these are the marks of Maulic cast.